Hi, my name is Vieira. I'm the CEO of a company, Vieira Trading. Today I have a challenge. I offer you $1 million, regardless of whether you are an investor in the markets or a non-investor, hedge fund manager or investment bank, provided the following conditions apply. The information that I'm going to show you, you either show or demonstrate that it is inaccurate, it is misleading, it is false, it has been edited or transformed by any means, or that you have better market calls in the companies that I'm going to refer to here, listed on New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. And to make it easier for you, I'm going to refer to several companies instead of only one. If you accept the challenge, if you consider that the information it is inaccurate, does not correspond to the truth, or it was transformed by any means, in that case I offer you the videos. Some of them you find on the web, but I offer you the raw material for you to analyze. And if it is proven that the information it is accurate, it is correct and corresponds entirely to the truth, you give me $1 million. That is a fair challenge. So how can you make $1 million? Just by accepting this challenge. If you consider that you have better market calls, better performance, or if the information it is false. It is simple. So there is no trick here whatsoever. If you are willing to gain or to earn $1 million, you just have to watch the next 5 minutes. So I'm going to mention in first place this company, ticker APOL, Apollo Group. It is currently trading at $19. The tape, it is on the screen, it is live. The chart in the past 1 year and a half, it is on the left, on the screen. And if you visit our website, stockmarketlive.tv, you find the existence of a case study recorded live, including a prediction. And so if you play this video, the case study says basically this, the prediction. Apollo Group, it was a strong buy in 2013 with a potential target range $27 to $35 at most. The video, the case study, the second half, it was recorded when shares of Apollo Group, they were trading above $33, as you can see on the screen. You just have to visit the website and to play the video. That coincides with the day I recommended to investors in Apollo Group to bail out of long positions, downgrade the stock from strong buy to strong sell, since the most bullish target, as I mentioned in the video, to be $35 at most. So, going back to the chart in Apollo Group, you find that in the past 1 year and a half, the very high in Apollo Group, it was $35 at most, 35, 36, as I predicted. Today, you have Apollo Group at $19, and this is a price that no one in the world, except us, predicted that the stock would collapse again, and therefore that the top would be $35. So if you prove that this information it is useless, inaccurate, or it was transformed by any means, I give you $1 million. Otherwise, if you prove that you made yourself better calls than this, which is mathematically impossible, as you might understand, I will give you $1 million. But to make this easier to you, I'm going to refer to other companies, other opportunities for you to make $1 million. So I'm going to refer to the existence of this video on the first page of the website, stockmarketlive.tv, where I called GoPro strong sell above $95. But more than calling GoPro a strong sell above $95, I said that the stock was going to crash. You have several articles on the blog of the company precisely on that matter. Today, GoPro, it is basically a stock at $42.83. I discuss GoPro since IPO on more than 18 videos recorded live included in the trading course. All of them are available for one to consult, discussing how to invest in stock markets. This achievement, it was done despite more than 50 Wall Street analysts from different investment firms upgraded stock GoPro, this company, to strong buy with price targets well above $100. So despite all the targets by Wall Street, this stock, as I predicted, crashed. Here you have the facts. But to make it easier for you, you just have to prove that this information, it is inaccurate, misleading, false, or it was edited, or it was transformed by any means. And I'm referring to, you have plenty of videos here. Or, if you prove that you have better track record investing in GoPro since IPO until the present date. I think this is pretty fair. But to make it easier for you, I'm going to refer to other company which has been on the news all over the world for the past 1 year. And you find it here, one of our blog articles, Trading 101, How to Trade Like a Pro. And bear in mind what I'm going to say, I could continue in more than 20 or 50 stocks. So I'm going to give you 3 companies which I believe to be sufficient. I'm not going to even to refer to this one, SanDisk, because mathematically it is impossible for you. All right? So, or Tesla Motors. But let's concentrate on the third case, how to earn $1 million. You, without the need to trade or invest in the markets, by proving that what I'm saying, it is a lie, it is inaccurate, misleading, or if you have better proven record. So if you go through this article, you find here 2 videos. These videos, they were recorded live and uploaded basically in real time to several websites. YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. You just have to go there to confirm what I'm saying, including to our blog. The first one, it was recorded on cons. I call it a crash in this company. And the first time I announced what in my perspective will be the bottom in cons. My target, the bottom, to be $14.70. So I recorded a video saying this is my target on downside, and therefore, for the first time, I recommend to close entirely short positions in cons, and from this point going forward, you can finally buy cons if you want to, in particular those that they bet on the crash. And you find information about this, I repeat, on the company blog, live blog. As well as this video, recorded live last week, disclosing my personal price target in cons, the less risky strategy to invest in cons, more than 3-digit return on investment, from $14.70. Bear in mind the former video, it was recorded live, you had the price of cons at $14.97. The second video, I disclosed the price target to be $31.40. The stock was trading, as you can see, 31.27. Today, Cons, it is a stock trading at this price, $28.87. So if you prove that this information, once again, it is misleading, inaccurate, false, it was edited or transformed by any means, and I'm willing to give you the information that is available, the raw material, I give you $1 million. Otherwise, you give me $1 million. But to make it easier, if you prove that you made better calls in Cons, you just have, I give you $1 million. It is simple, it is fair, and here it is the challenge. 3 different companies to make it easier for you, and I you have the company, you have my contacts, and I'm open to discuss this immense opportunity for all of you, in particular any stock analyst, any investment firm, any hedge fund manager or individual. And those that they claim that store forecasts they are useless, I have to say the following. I agree with 100% of you when you say that the store forecast or the stock prediction, it is useless. Because 99.9% of the material that you find on the web, it is dangerous, it is misleading, and in most situations it is dangerous and it is false. But in my case, the information that I've been making available for the past 25 years, it is different from anything else that you have seen in the stock market's history. And so, if you prove, or if you are willing to prove that information it is false, I give you $1 million. So it is fair. If you prove, if you demonstrate that this information it is false, you make $1 million. If it is proven to be correct, accurate, and as it is, without being edited, transformed by any means, you give me $1 million. I earn the challenge. Right? Thank you.